Hi, I'd like to invite you today to come in and join me on the Yule Wave Sock Knit Along. This is a guided knit along, so when you sign up, you'll initially get the first information, then every week you will get an email and you'll have access to the next section of the course. So it guides you along on the path through sock knitting. This is suitable whether you're an experienced sock knitter or if you're brand new to sock knitting. So there should be something for everyone in here, I think. It's basically going to take a look at how socks are constructed and all of the different decision factors that you will make. So this particular sock is cuff down. So it starts here, it comes down, works around the heel and goes over to the toe. But in the class, I'll also talk about toe-up socks and the kind of decisions you'd make that will go into those. As we're going through, I'm knitting through each section. I show you kind of how I work in the round, show you how I work my heel, how I work my toe, all in, well, real video time. Real time's not exactly true. Real video time to actually work through how I'm doing it. I've got links to tutorials on all the different sections. And if you want to use a slightly different technique, I have got other videos included with alternates and things like that. If you want to knit your own gauge, I'm also going to include information on how you can knit to your gauge and just how to calculate the size of the sock you want. So why don't you come on in and come knit your first sock with us, or if you've knit a sock before, come learn more about sock knitting and perhaps try some new types of sock knitting techniques.